Meet the new Ligian Link Arm, built for creators, learners, and anyone who dreams in motion. It's a lightweight powerhouse, designed with a parallel link structure driven by four 15-kilogram-centimeter bus servos, and equipped with 19 bearings for buttery smooth movement. So yes, it lifts. A lot. Up to 1 kilogram at the far end. With a 330mm reach and a 180-degree base rotation, it easily covers the workspace most projects require. And even if robotics is new to you, the arm welcomes beginners with intuitive, easy-to-use control interfaces. Turn it on, open your browser. That's it. The built-in web app works across platforms, creates its own hotspot, and runs in AP and STA mode. No coding required. You control the arm with simple clicks and even create custom motion sequences right from the interface. And for those who enjoy a bit of coding, the arm becomes an easy module to integrate. Simple scripts let you link external devices, trigger custom behaviors, or expand your system. With USB, WebSocket, and HTTP communication and practical Python demos, adding it to your project is fast and straightforward. Just send a simple JSON command and the arm acts instantly. No heavy frameworks, no complicated setups. Just plug in and build. Its OLED display and 5-way joystick make checking status and switching modes simple and immediate. The TTL node adds practical connectivity, SBUS input for RC control, RGB indicators for quick feedback, adjustable power outputs for accessories, and ports for tuning your servo bus. Inside the controller, the arm includes built-in inverse kinematics. Just provide the target coordinates and it automatically resolves the joint angles for you. A smooth start-stop interpolation algorithm also handles motion planning on the device. Send a single target position, and the arm generates the intermediate path and moves with stable, refined motion. At the core, an ESP32-S3 runs the platform, reliable, responsive, and well-supported. We provide open-source examples, desktop guides for Linux and Windows, and assembly documentation so you can integrate the arm into your own work with confidence. Whether you're building a prototype, exploring robotics, or developing your own project, the arm fits in naturally and adapts to your own projects. Ligian Robotics.